Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So it's about 10 a.m. on the charts right now. I'm going to be live trading today. Win or loss, this trade is going to get posted on YouTube, and probably if I don't even take a trade, I will still post it because there is valid education to be had there. But right now it's about 10 a.m. News happened at 10 a.m. So I didn't hop on the charts till 10 a.m. because of the news event. So I've got my key levels marked out, my areas of support or resistance right now. I've got the Discord on the other screen. I'm obviously alerting my students when I'm getting into a trade and a position, as that's part of the subscription that they pay for. But right now, all I'm going to be waiting for is for price to create a double bottom at my 1 hour area right here and start the push back up, and I can enter somewhere like that, something like that. That's what I'm going to be waiting for right now, essentially. Now I will go in with lighter risk because, and I've already informed the Discord that I'm going in with lighter risk because yesterday we had Trump's new FOMC appointee testifying, and now today, same thing at 10 a.m. That's why there's news, is his FOMC appointee is testifying. So again, you know, we've seen with Trump and stuff like that, they can just say anything at any time, these guys, and severely screw over people's trades. So I'm going in with lighter risk, and I've already recommended the Discord do that as well. So no, there's not going to be any $5,000 to $7,000 days today, probably somewhere around 1 to 2, maybe 3 if we get the right push. So yeah, guys, that's the goal for today. Just going to hop into the charts here. I'll re-pick up the camera again when there's a potential trade to take. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I said before, I am alerting all my students that I'm going to be taking a trade when I take the trade, and I've already sent them in my key levels and stuff like that. And we have a live call tomorrow. So there's just so much value for my students in my live trading Discord and my one-on-one mentorship where they get extra deep help. So yeah, while we wait for a trade here, guys, you know, make sure to, you know, check the links in the bio and the description if you are interested in potentially learning. So yeah, I'll find you guys again when it's time to take a trade. My one worry with price, guys, is we're just going to keep chugging along up here and not get a trade. For those of you guys that don't know that I don't know that, for those of you guys that don't know how I trade, I will not take a trade unless price is at one of my key levels. So in this instance, price has to be at this white line up there or this purple and blue box down below in order for me to get a position. So yeah, right now, I am just waiting and waiting. Maybe price makes its way up to this white line and we get a nice break and retest play or something like that. But right now, just being a good trader, playing defense, making sure that, yeah, we get a nice position. And yeah, the students are doing their thing. Some of them take their own trades. Some of them wait for me. And that's how it goes, man, in this Discord. We all support each other. We all help each other. And we're just waiting to take an A+ setup, because on days like this, you got to be patient. And that's a lot of things that traders don't understand, is sitting on your hands sometimes is sometimes the best thing you can do. So let's wait here. Let's see what we get. All right, guys, we're finally getting some sort of volume push to the downside here. Like I said, I want to see price tap into this area, give me some type of reaction so that I can go long off the area. If it ends up coming below the area, all I want to see is price break and close under this area, pull back for the retest, the rejection, then we just go ahead and get in. So yeah, gonna be aware here of what the market gives us, of what the market potentially shows us. And yeah, like I said, turn the camera on when it is time to take a trade, but A+ setups only. About 20 seconds here till this candle closes. Right now, price is creating a double bottom at my area right here. It's breaking structure to the upside. So if we can get a nice, looks like we're not going to get a nice candle. So yeah, we wait for a double top to show, or a double bottom in this area. And right now, I thought we were going to get it, but we are not. Guys, looks like we're not going to get a long setup there. Price is really moving down. The only way I'd take a long is if price started to create a head and shoulders pattern, which is basically shoulder one here. We reject and create more market structure here. We move up, come back, and then start to move up again. That would be the next shoulder. For now, my goals are to continue to see price go down here. So if price can close here, make a retest for the zone, then pull back down, I'll get in for a break and retest play. But if that doesn't happen, I'm just going to hop off the charts and preserve capital today. So yeah, just continuing to give you guys like little updates here. about what I'm looking for on the charts, and that's officially 10:30 here, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I'm just not seeing any of the setups that I wanted to see today, and that is completely okay. I told the Discord I was done. I'm not going to take any trades here. The only other setup that would have been left was to see price pull back into this area for a nice retest, and then we take the play off of it for the break and retest of this entire area right here. But price is not doing that. It didn't give us our play here. So yeah, that's 2 days in a row we haven't taken a trade, but technically I am still undefeated in the month of July, so that's really good. I'm trading smart, trading well, and that's what I try to preach to my students here. Is let me show you guys this calendar real quick. I try to preach to my students to always just trade smart, trade well, and don't get caught up in, bad setups. So here's my month of July so far. Let me go ahead and move my face. Absolutely killer month. Up over $16,000 in the month. Started risking heavy again. Some days I go in lighter, some days I go in heavier, just depending on news, tweets from the president, all that good stuff. And yeah, so it's been a super good month, but I really want to post this video on YouTube regardless if that I didn't take a trade or not, is because I feel like a lot of you guys can't do what I did today, and that's why you're not in a position that you want to be. How many of you can look at the charts on a day like today where you don't see your setup play, you don't see your A+ setup, and you try to force a trade, you try to overtrade, you try to over leverage because you're addicted and you're getting the itch? That's not the way to profitability, and I wouldn't be able to have stats like this and months like all of this, and I can even take you back to last year where I had a month like this. I wouldn't be able to have months like this if I was just constantly itching to take trades and forcing bad setups and taking setups that I know I shouldn't be taking. So look, there's value in this video. Is this going to be your fancy video where I just live traded and made $7,000 like I did on Monday? No, absolutely not. But there's value in this video. There's value for you guys to be seen, and there will be a certain crowd of you that takes this video and says, you know what? I'm going to apply what he told me in this video about not over trading and waiting for an A+ setup, and those are going to be the people that take their trading journeys far. There's going to be another crowd of people that watch this video and they're going to say, oh, he should have taken a trade, like this guy's doing too much, and that's going to be the people that end up blowing accounts. So hopefully, regardless of what you thought about today's video and stuff like that, I know it's boring, I didn't take a trade, but hopefully you just understand the snippets and the tad bits that I was telling you that can truly and severely help you in your trading journeys. But guys, without further ado, I appreciate you all tapping into this video. Once again, if you're interested in learning from me in my Discord down below or my one-on-one mentorship down below, the links will be down there. Feel free to apply, and I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.